God bless us all. Who am I that the Lord of all the earth would care to know my name, would care to feel my hurt? Who am I that the bright and morning stars would choose to light the way for my ever-wandering heart? Not because of who I am, but because of what you've done. Not because of what I've done, but because of who you are. I am a flower quickly fading, here today and gone tomorrow. The wave tossed in the ocean, the vapor in the wind. Still you hear me when I'm calling. Lord, you catch me when I'm falling, and you told me who I am. Hey, Michael, I am yours. Who am I that the eyes that see your sin would look on me with love? Ba't ganito to?